Hello guys, I'm back again. This is my second video today. I'm doing great. How y'all doing? Hey, listen, I know I had said in the last video that I was waiting. Oh, my lashes just, why this one always hang? I don't get it. But anyway, remember I told you that I was expecting the package today. It arrived today at 2:06 p.m. Yes, it is here. I know I also said that I was going to wait until the other two items arrive, but I am so excited. So I have to go ahead and do this. So, do 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 do. Boop, boop, boop. It has arrived, y'all. It has arrived. It has arrived. So, I'm going to open it. Of course, if you ever ordered anything off Wish before, in the past, whatever present, this is what packaging looks like. I'm ready to open it. You ready? Okay. So, let me just look up. This is the lace front wig, right? Alright, so it's like this. The cap came with it. It's a choice between just getting the cap or you just want the lace front rig. But yes, honey, I got it. Y'all see that? Yes. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Lord have mercy. How y'all doing today, though? How's it going? I'm so excited about this. So, yes, the new packaging weaving cap. Okay. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, guys. I'm excited. So, this is the wig. We're gonna rate this. You know what I'm so mad about? Oh, but see, okay, I know what I did. You know, I ordered the wrong one. But anyway, it's cool. It's cool. It looks. That's it. This. Don't mind the TV in the background. This is it. Let's see. It feels nice. It feels good. Let's see, damn. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is, since I ordered the wrong freaking wig, this is absolutely nothing. Which I am going to still be ordering a lace front wig so we can do an install, because y'all, I ain't been talking about this for days and end up getting a wrong term wig. But this is the other one I had chose, though. It wasn't like it's a complete disaster. That goes to show, pay attention when you order stuff, okay? Pay attention. But it's there's a little part right there, and I'm probably gonna put some either concealer or yeah, most likely concealer. I'm gonna put it in the middle right there. And overall, though, it feels nice. It's kind of like a. It's nice though. I like it. I really like it. Um, but you know what I should do with this wig? I actually should get the material to add my own lace front. Yes. Let me see if I can do this or not. Um. Hmm. Hmm. It looks like. Hold on, because I'm trying to see if. Okay, it still kind of comes out in front. No, that's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna go to this site that I just recently started admiring. They have a lot of great wigs for a decent price. You buy two, you get the other one for free. Um, and those lace front wigs are every bit of 150 to 179, 60, etc., etc. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm sorry guys, but the lace front wig is going to be postponed until I order the wig, which will be not soon, but soon. It might be soon. Um, but overall, this one is okay. This was okay. It's fluffy. It's curly. And this is 22 inches. Yeah, it's so nice and fluffy. Y'all know the people that know me, like my friends and family know me, I like really, really thick hair. I like for my hair to look full because my face is so round, like a pie. But yeah, honey, I got it. So we are going to, and the reason why I got this one right now is because I had kind of like tried to give my braids some maintenance, and it actually turned out okay, but not okay. So that tells me it needs to come out very soon. So, yeah. So, thank you guys for tuning into my channel. I so greatly appreciate it. And, we're going to be looking for the lights to show up next week. Next Wednesday. Next Wednesday. I am so excited about this YouTube light that it don't make no sense. Because I automatically knew that I needed one. But the lights get here, that is going to be an unpackaging as well. And then after that one, I'm going to be ordering my camera. And yeah, and this camera actually has the microphone too connected to it. It comes with it. So thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I am Gemini's Best. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you would know. Okay. All right. Thank you guys. You already know how it's going down. So thank you. You guys have a great